Make your business stand out, let people find your brand in the dark. Amazing or good, please. If you want to get some sample size before ordering finished products, what I will introduce today is the best choice for you. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe our channel to get the latest information about us. Let's go. This is our sample light box, 7 to 10 days on delivery, 3 years warranty. This set contains our basic and hot-selling illuminated signage style, making it easy for you or your customers to choose perfect style, such as rimless style, foamless style, backlit style with acrylic. And it is include the neon light. This is called 360-degree neon sign. What do you think of it? No matter when, we pursue quality first, so if you are looking for some sign that can help your business or reliable sign supplier, don't hesitate to choose us. If you haven't already subscribed our channel, do that for us right now. Hit that like button and comment below. Life isn't perfect, but our size can be. See you next time.